And the turkeys and the fox.
Oh my god. He came over to say hi to you.
Remember, don't tap the glass.
Yeah. Ouch.
I also have the
Oh look,
man
they have
too.
Minecraft, the tournament.
Yeah, I want.
You got Dog Man.
I mean the Minecraft too.
You broke it.
Mm.
Minecraft broke it. Oh, there we go.
Yay, my Minecraft!
Of course, about mommy's smart thing.
Like, where's the food? Do they have little pellets to feed them? Oh, this is all Lego. Careful.
We had one get stuck. I thought it was just this, where they had like the shelters and.
The light. It's pretty cool. Uh-oh. I think they're gonna crash.